Hello guys, in this video we're going to look at 5 Excel tips and tricks to make you work faster in Excel. So let's jump on. Tip number 1. Now let's say I want to bring column B to A and A to B. How would I do that? What I would initially do, I'll take A and I'll say insert sheet columns. And then I copy this whole C and then paste it in A and delete the whole of C. But this is taking a little while. How could I do it in a faster way? Let's see how to do that. Now, I'm going to highlight the customer column and I'm going to press Shift plus the left mouse button and, and then drag the column. So first highlight, get this arrow, Shift left mouse button and drag till the end. And voila, it has been done so easily with just the shortcut key, Shift plus left mouse button. Number 2, the second tip of the day is easy sum. Now to sum up all this amount, I'm going to say equal to sum, drag this whole thing, close it, and then get the sum. But this took a little while, so I'm just going to press the shortcut key, Alt equal to, get the sum, and that's it. So I just pressed Alt equal to, and I've got the sum. Tip number 3, joining two cells. So let's say now I have the first name of 20 people and the last name of 20 people. Now I need to join their names, like a full name. So like Wade Williams, Dave Harris. But this is going to take me too long. So I'm going to just hold on this or be in the cell and take Control E. And voila, we've got all the names of all the people in this cell. And you can do it however you want. So let's say I want the last name first. So I'm going to say Williams, comma, Wade. Or let's remove the comma. Williams, Wade. So Control E, and we've got Harris, Dave, etc. So with Control E, you can join two cells really easily. Tip number 4, we're going to use paste special. Let's say I want to multiply all these numbers by 10. The easiest way I would do is I'll say 20, 30, 40, etc., etc. and use this function. I'm going to use this function and keep on going. But that's not how I want it because it's taking too long. So I'm just going to type in 10. I'm going to copy 10 and then I'm going to copy the 10 cell. I'm going to highlight this whole entire range, go to paste, say paste special. Under paste special, I'm going to say multiply or I'm going to say add. Okay, we're going to add 10 to each of them or multiply 10. So it's multiplied 10. Now I want to add. So I'm going to say add. It's added 10 to each of the numbers that were already there. So that is how you use paste special to easily multiply the whole range by one number. The final tip for the day, tip number 5. Now we're going to fill in all the class for these people here. So let's say these people are from class 8, the below ones are 9, and the last 3 are 10. Now to fill 8, okay, I could have just pulled this down, I have to hold it, I have to pull this down, I have to hold this, I have to pull this down. It's a lot of work. So the easier way to do it is just highlight this row, go to find and select, go to special, go to blanks just to select the blank cells, which are not already selected. And on the first one, we can type D2. Okay, so equal to the 2, and I'm going to click Control Enter so that all fill. So Control Enter, and there you go. All have been filled according to its relative cells. So this is 8. This is looking at 8. This is looking at the above 8. This is looking at above 8. This is a plain one. This is looking at the above 9. So they are all looking at their above cell and filling the same value into this cell. So those were the 5 tips and tricks. I hope you enjoyed. If you learned something new, like, share, subscribe, and see you all next time.